Hey girl, hey. It's April 6th. 2 days before the eclipse. The energy is still super heavy and weird. One of the things that I really wasn't able to fully express the other day when we were installing the labyrinth is literally everywhere I looked, I couldn't find anything. Like, the chaos and the messes that I have to clean up are just unconscionable. And I can't even find like the simplest things that I've been begging to put, like, gardening stuff near the gardening shed, and just kind of let's make pockets so we kind of keep track of where everything is. And it is just insane. So, I have friends coming over today and my darling boy. We're going to try to clean out the first, like, even 1/3 section of the barn. I'm coming, bud. Because as much as, this is still the chaos from unloading the shipping container when we moved to New York 2 years ago, roughly. And I'd asked him to please stop sabotaging me and please stop organizing, and he didn't. So here we are, and nothing is turning on and nothing is working. So here's my babe trying to push the mower out and the ATV, which will not start. So unbelievable. It's just what it is. We'll get through it, buddy. So let me help you. So we're going to have to wait for more hands to get here because we can't get it over that lip. But this is what I have to clean up. This is an entire barn of chaos. Move after move. Dysregulation after dysregulation. This is what my life looks like in a nutshell. Because I cannot get any cooperation. And even if I try to ask, it's just going to end up in a fight. But it's kind of, really, it's really hard when you're going through this. Like, when you look and you think, all of these things that I've carefully curated and mindfully procured so that we could build a life that makes sense. We could build a home, doing the normal things that people do. And it's just always chaos. Because at the end of the day, the punchline is, he doesn't give a shit. He never did. And now this is me having to clean up my life. I wasn't able to sleep really too hard the other night. And I was trying to sleep, so I closed the door so the cats couldn't wake me up for food in the morning. Maybe I could get an extra half hour. But it was so dark in the room that I got disoriented and stepped back down into the stairwell from my bed. That has no railing, of course, and couldn't orient myself. So anyway, I slid down the steps. I was like, oh my God, brace my neck. I'm going to die. But yeah, I hit my eye and whatever. We soldier on. Neutral yet? Mm-hmm. One of the most frustrating things is I kept getting text messages from the cell phone company, Visible, that Mr. Platinos, you're not paying your bill. Your services are going to be suspended and blah, blah, blah. And it's my phone. I bought it. I called Visible to say, hey, he's not paying the bill. I don't want my service to be interrupted. And because I didn't know security codes, because he doesn't talk to me about anything, and he lives this kind of double life that I'm not included in, I was on the phone for hours with AT&T. They couldn't help me, and I just got Mint. And apparently my phone is locked, which is strange because I got it from a third-party vendor, and it shouldn't be. No, baby. Go on. No. So basically, I don't even have a cell phone right now. Because everything has just been hijacked in my life. And we will figure it out. One foot in front of the other. Hi.
Hey, girl.
Thanks for pulling up. I love you. Well, it's slightly less overwhelming now. I didn't get to all of it, but you can at least walk in it now. And most definitely to my girls who pulled up, thank y'all in love and community. You're both, I love you. Mwah, mwah. My girls left. My boys eating. The sun's out. Got some of my barn cleaned up. Took a whole carload full of trash to the dump, which is kind of unfortunate because I like to upcycle as much as I can. But when you're in DEF CON 1, you do what you can do. And as traumatic as this is, you have to focus on the gratitude. Gratitude's the latitude. And let your messy self be seen. It's been kind of awful being this vulnerable. Because I've had to be such a warrior for so long, but actually posting like I need help and having people show up, like that's some real deal Holyfield, and I'm here for it, and I'm so grateful. How could I not be? How could I not be? You know, women know. Like, I'm not the first woman to dig out. I will not be the last. But man, you know, I remember sitting on the porch in Costa Rica, drinking my weight in anything I could. Praying not only would I get out of it, but that I would end up being surrounded by women. You know, I so desperately wanted a tribe, and it seems that I have one, and they will pull up and they will help me clean out my barn. I just realized not only did I hit my girl's car, because I was trying not to hit one of my chickens. I forgot her car was parked there. So yeah, I hit her car. I didn't even offer anybody anything to drink. It was just like we straight worked and nobody said anything. And that kind of love is real. And it's going to be the thing that helps me pull through this. Just one day at a time, giving myself grace. That's all I can do. My time is wrapping up from my week off of work. I feel rested. I feel ready. And we're just going to take it a day at a time. So, mwah. Hey girl, hey, much love to you. Grab onto those glimmers because they're what's up. Chat soon.